Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the pebble stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and how to make the puff stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. To begin, I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 2. You're then going to make just a single crochet row for your first row here. You're then going to work the row that I'm currently working right here, and I've started with 1 chain on my hook. You would make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. You would then make 1 puff stitch in the next. Then 1 single crochet in the next, a puff stitch in the next, one single crochet in the next stitch, 1 puff stitch in the next stitch, and then you would repeat this for the rest of your row. Single crochet into each stitch. Okay, so now we have a pebble row alternating between single crochet, the puff, and then we have 1 row of all single crochet, which you're going to do between each pebble row. So now for the next pebble row, you're going to chain 1, turn your work. You're then going to do 2 single crochet, 1 into each of the first 2 stitches. So 1 in the first one and then 1 in the second one. Then you would start alternating between your puffs and singles again. So you're going to do 2 singles, 1 in the first stitch, 1 in the second. Then you're going to do a puff in the next. then a single in the next, puff again, then single, and you're going to keep alternating between puff and single until you get to the last 2 stitches of this row. My last pebble and the third from the last stitch. Then on the last 2 stitches, you're going to do 1 single crochet into each of them, so it will match the beginning of the row. And I will go ahead and turn my work so you can see how it is going to look. So then for any future rows that you want to do, you would start with this first row that I did, the single and then the puff. Then you'll do a single crochet row in between any of the puff rows. Then for this row you're going to do 2 singles and a puff. Then you would just continue this little section for any future rows that you want to do. So that is going to be how to make the pebble stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.